Welcome to the channel. I'm teacher Jay from Kangaroo Study. Now the holiday is coming, right? How has your holiday been? You have gone through a long semester and challenging exam. It definitely worth a well-rested holiday. So whatever you're planning to do in this holiday, teacher Jay here wish you had a good time. But even during the holiday, please do not forget your math studies, okay? Because you see, perseverance is the key to success. So in this holiday, Kangaroo Study has prepared many very interesting math problems to share with you. In this session, we'll be sharing about the sum and multiple problem with total unchanged. So without further ado, let's take a look at the question. Ray and Sammy had 168 cupcakes. After Ray had given 15 cupcakes to Sammy, he had 2 times as many cupcakes as Sammy. How many cupcakes did Sammy have at first? Now look at this question. There are so many conditions. And what is the best way to visualize these conditions? Draw models. So here, let me try to draw the model here. In this case, there are 2 people, Sammy and Ray. While drawing the model, we need to draw 2 bars to indicate the relationship between Sammy and Ray, right? So now let's observe. In this question, which information tells us about that relationship? Ray had 2 times as many cupcakes as Sammy. So that means after giving 15 cupcakes, if Sammy had 1 in it, how many units will Ray have? Ray will have 2 units. And what else information are there? Ray and Sammy had 168 cupcakes together. So does giving 15 cupcakes affect this total number of cupcakes? No! Because the cupcakes are only shared within Sammy and Ray, the total amount remains unchanged, which is 168. The question now is asking, how many cupcakes did Sammy have at first? Let's observe, what will this model look like at first? We know that Ray had given 15 cupcakes to Sammy, so that means at first, Ray must have 15 cupcakes more, and Sammy must have 15 cupcakes less than this 1 unit. So, to compute the cupcakes that Sammy had at first, we can use the value of 1 unit minus 15. Now the question is, how do we find out the value of this 1 unit? Let me give an example. Let's say I know that 4 units are equivalent to 40. How do I find out the value of this 1 unit? We can first write down 4 units to 40, and then we can use 40 divided by 4 to obtain the value of 1 unit. So that means to find out the value of 1 unit, we can first try to locate the number of units and the corresponding value. So, back to this question. Where can we find the number of units? We know that after giving 15 cupcakes, Ray had 2 units and Sammy had 1 unit. So in total, how many units do they have? 3 units. And what is the corresponding value of these 3 units? 168. So now we can write down 3 units to 168. So 1 unit equals to 168 divided by 3, which is 56. So now we know that after receiving these 15 cupcakes, Sammy had 56 cupcakes. So at start, Sammy will have 56 minus 15 equals to 41 cupcakes. And we found the answer. Now look at this question. What can we learn from it? We know that Ray had given 15 cupcakes to Sammy, but does it affect the total number of cupcakes? No, the total remains unchanged. And in the question, we are given the sum, we are also given the multiple relationship. So this is called the sum and multiple problem. Let's recall, in sum and multiple problem, what have we done to find out the value of 1 unit? We first write down 3 units to 168. Now here, what does this 3 units mean? It's a total number of units. And what does this 168 mean? It is a sum. So, to find out the value of 1 unit, we can first try to locate the number of units and the sum. And we can use sum divided by the total number of units to get the result. In conclusion, if you see the value transfer between the entities, take note. There is a very important hidden information. the total remains unchanged. And when we see sum and multiple problem, to find out the value of one unit, we can use a sum divided by the total number of units. And that's it. So if you understand this, take a look at a very similar question here. If you have finished this question and want to check out the answer and discuss with us, scan this code and join our WhatsApp group. And if you like this video and want to check out more interesting contents, make sure to click the button below and subscribe to our channel. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. I'm Teacher Jay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!